What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the creek for some bluegill, and I might try another spot, but this is the first spot that I'm going to be trying. The problem is I only have about an hour to try it out and see if I can catch some bluegills, but I'll go ahead and give this spot a shot, and if this doesn't work out, I'll rush over to the other spot and hopefully we can catch some fish this video. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I've made it to my secret little spot for bluegill, and this is where I always come to catch bluegill. So I am seeing some right now. Try not to speak too loud because I don't want to spook them off. Pretty gullible anyway to catch them. So either way, time check is currently 6:12 in the afternoon. The sun goes down at 7:22. I don't want to be caught out here. The sun goes down. It's a pretty sketchy area, so try and catch some fish as quick as I can, and if this spot doesn't work out, I'll rush over to another spot. It should be pretty good. I am seeing some fish, so we should be able to catch some. I'm seeing quite a few fish, so I have a pretty small hook on live worms and try and catch some. Hopefully we do. Alright everyone, so I'm seeing actually a lot of baby bass and bluegill right here. Might have to lower my bobber a bit, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 just right here in this little area, and there's a little pile of brush over there on the other side. So let's see if one of them wants to eat, maybe catch one. Yeah, they seem pretty intimidated, pretty pressured. There's one looking at it, one small fish, but this ain't good. One thing that I forgot was my GoPro battery, so I only have one extra battery. I shouldn't need any more. We'll see. Just want to catch a fish. These fish are very finicky. They don't want to eat my bait. Bluegills don't want to eat my bait. That's not normal. But anyway guys, I'll keep you all posted as to whether these fish bite or not, and I'll just try and catch one. Hopefully I can. Oh, I have one. I had one. I wasn't paying attention. No, I could have set the hook on a fish. That was a bluegill. No way. He was taking me like to the back. I don't even have that much longer to fish. Probably about 30 minutes. All right everybody, I'm out of here. These fish aren't committing. Try one more spot. Hopefully I make it there on time. See if we can make it there on time. Hopefully we can. I'm gonna rush over there. Alright everybody, so I made it to the final spot of the day. I don't even know I'm supposed to be here. Supposedly the creek opened back up, but I'm still seeing yellow tape everywhere, so I have no idea. But probably about 2 years ago I caught a ton of bluegill here, and this is the only spot I can think of that has bluegill. A lot of running water. See if I can spot any right now. I really don't see any, but if I remember last time, I would drop my bait in the water and they will kind of just come out of nowhere. Yep, I see a bluegill right there. All right, see if we can make it happen. For this to work, I have to take off my bobber. Hopefully we can catch them. I only have about 30 minutes or so. See if we can land any. Hopefully it's better than the last area, but give it a shot. See if we can land any. I'm going to go ahead and scout over here and see if there are any other fish. There should be bluegill here. I mean, I did fish here like 2 years ago, so I don't know. Oh yeah, there's some bluegill right here. Yep, they're annihilating it. They're annihilating it right now as we speak. Got one. There we go guys, first fish of the day. Took a minute, but hey, I don't care. I landed a fish. I'll keep fishing. These bluegill are fired up, so I should be able to catch another one theoretically. Go ahead and get the hook out of this guy. There he goes. See if we can catch another one. We probably will. That's what I assume. They're under these rocks, and that's where they're at. So I'll see if I can catch another one. Pretty fired up though, so I should be able to. So the problem is this current is making it hard to land a fish, but they're under this rock. There's another bluegill. He's coming. He's looking at it. He wants it. He has it. I got him. Tiny bluegill. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking fun. I want to run into a bigger one though. This is probably the smallest one we're gonna catch today. Look at that everybody. A little bluegill right there. Well, that's one way to go. All right, see if we can land another one. This is so freaking fun. For those of you that haven't bluegill fished with light gear, like extremely light gear like this, I really recommend it. It's extremely fun. Although these fish aren't huge or like a 5-pound bass, they're super fun to catch and you just have a blast. All right, so I'm seeing some more bluegill right here. I'm gonna keep exploring, try and find the bigger bluegill. I'm assuming these bigger bluegill are gonna be over here under some bigger rocks. That's what I assume. Oh, I had one, that's for sure. Oh, I still have them. It was like this big. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking fun. So there is bluegill right here. There's bluegill everywhere. Should be able to get him again. I landed right on top of him. Yep. Either that's a stick. So on the other side, there's this like crack. I'm seeing some shadows. I don't think they're fish, but I'll give it a shot either way. I just don't want to get hung up in anything. Yeah, I'm seeing some bluegill over there. They look a little bigger than the ones on this side. Oh, I got him. No, he came off. No, that's a decent one. This is freaking fun. Time's flying by. 6:52. I probably have like 15 minutes to fish. Gotta catch some more fish. All right, here we go. Cast to the century. That's the cast. That's the cast. That isn't the cast. I don't know what is. Yeah, I'm seeing bluegill go towards it right now. One bit it. Oh no, one had it. This current is like throwing me off. Right there, maybe? Oh, he has it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yeah! Okay, this is the biggest one of the day. Get in here, buddy. Here we go, everybody. This one's decent. Oh my gosh. There we go, everybody. Biggest fish of the day. There he goes. These things are so antsy. I can't hold them. Just trying to show y'all, but it's just so hard to hold. There might be another one there. I think there was two, not too sure. So I'm gonna continue exploring a little more further down this way. Not too much over there. There's a lot of current over there and it gets pretty shallow up until past the bridge. So that won't be a good fishing area. A lot of mudfish. Not seeing any bluegill. There might be some. I don't see any. Oh, little ones. I got one. Oh my god. See you later, buddy. The sun is going down and I have yet to catch a big bluegill. Make a few casts here and there. And there's got to be a big bluegill here somewhere. I see a little bluegill. Got him. Got him. He came off. Why do these bluegill keep coming off? It's like they decide to come off right at my feet. All right, I'm assuming there's a big bluegill. That little pocket. I'm trying to make a cast there. Close enough. Not exactly where I wanted it, but maybe. Do I have a fish? I think I have a fish, everybody. Not a big bluegill I wanted, but I'll take it. Hey, that's actually a pretty decent size. Not bad. Probably swallowed the hook. That's not good. Probably second to biggest one of the day. Never mind, everybody. The hook came right out. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Pretty decent size. There he goes. It's getting dark, but we're making it happen. That's the good thing. Pretty good day so far, not gonna lie. Landing some fish, considering I only had basically 30 minutes, 45 minutes of trying to catch a fish. So not bad. Not a bad day. I'm getting bit. I'm getting bit. I have one. There we go, everybody. I don't know what bluegill this is. Like, I don't know what number this is. 5, 6? I don't know. There we go, everybody. I can't handle these things, I swear. There we go. 5th, 6th bluegill of the day. I don't know. Keep fishing. I really want to catch a big one though. Really do. My worm is still like untouched, so that's a good thing. One has it. One has it. Take it. Take it. Yep. Got him. Got him. I could have sworn I saw a big one there though. Like pretty decent size. There we go. 6th, 7th bluegill of the day. I just spooked all of his little buddies. I want to land that big one though. Yep, I think I have a fish on there, everybody. There we go. Probably the last fish of the day, and it's a decent one. Not gonna lie. Come on, come on. Yeah, probably the biggest of the day, honestly. Beautiful little bluegill. All right, everybody, so I was able to get the hook out. I'm gonna go ahead. I can't handle these things, I swear. This is probably the prettiest one of the day. Go ahead and let that fish go. Alright, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught maybe 6 or 7 fish in total today. Pretty good, considering that I did not have a ton of time to fish today because I was pretty busy today and I only had like 45 minutes or so to fish and to try and catch those fish. It was not a bad day. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.